Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmates. So today, I will explaining about preparing a picture kutya presentation. So basically, picture kutya is about organizing your ideas clearly and presenting them in a fixed 20 by 20 format. So meaning, kinanglan ka, prepare para focus ka, sakto sa oras, and engaging imong message, dili boring. So what is picture kutya? So, Pichakucha means cha-cha. It is started in Japan and it is fast-paced presentation styles. Dili ni siya long explanation everyone. Short but meaningful siya. So, kinahanglan klaro gyud imong ideas. So, 20 by 20 rule. And now, let's talk about the 20 by 20 rule. So this means 20 slide and each slide is shown for 20 seconds only. So if you compute it, the total presentation time is 6 minutes and 40 seconds. So mao nga importante kayo ang timing kay automatic mo-move ang slides. So purpose. The main purpose of Picha Kutya is to deliver a clear and engaging idea. Dili ka maglibog sa explanation and dili pud malibog ang audience. So straight to the point lang pero interesting gihapon. So let's proceed to the step 1. Choose a topic. So first step is choosing a topic. Choose a topic nga passionate ka kay if ganahan ka sa topic, ma-feel na sa audience. Also, keep it simple and focused. Ayaw pagbutang daghang kaayog ideas. So, step 2, be organized. So, next is being organized. You need to outline your story, one main idea per slides lang. Also, always consider your audience kay lahi-lahi man og level of understanding ang tao, like for us students. So, step 3, create a PowerPoint presentation. So, for the PowerPoint, use powerful image, avoid long text or bullet points, kay dili na siya traditional presentation lang. So, each slide should convey meaning instantly, like makita pa lang, gets na dayon. So, step 4, practice your presentation. Lastly, practice your presentation, mag-rehearse ka para masanay ka sa 20 by 20 timing. Know your content well and make sure smooth imong delivery. Dili lutang. So, conclusion. So, to conclude, preparing a picture kutya presentation requires planning, organizing, creative, and practice. If you follow the step properly, you can deliver a presentation that is short, clearly, and impactful. So that's all. Thank you everyone for listening and God bless. Umana boy. Boy.
Boracay, it is known for its beaches and blessed with a long stretch of powdery white sand, crystal clear and azure waters, and stunning sunsets. El Nido, Palawan is known for its stunning lagoons, white sand beaches, rocky islets, towering limestone cliffs, and glass-like waters teeming with marine lives. Mount Mayon is an active volcano in the province of Albay and Bicol. It is known for its perfect cone because of its symmetric conical shape and is regarded as sacred in Philippine mythology. Enchanted River, known for its mystical site marked by its shimmering crystal clear blue waters, surrounded by thick jungle, vines, and orchids. Fort Santiago is notable for being a headquarters of the armies of several foreign powers in Philippine history. Chocolate Hills, also known as the eighth wonder of the world. They are covered in lush vegetation that gives them their distinctive chocolate color. Kale Crisologo vegan, it is known for its preserved 16th century Spanish architecture and mouth-watering foods. It is one of the most beautiful streets in the Philippines. San Agustin Church, located inside Intramuros walls, and it is the oldest church in the Philippines. Banawi Rice Terraces, known for epitomize the absolute blending of the physical, socio-cultural, economic, religious, and political environment. The view is very spectacular, majestic, and inspiring. Camiguin Island. It is a land of friendly people, an island blessed with natural wonders, majestic volcanoes, lagoons, lakes, cold, hot, and soda springs, pristine waterfalls, white sandy beaches, and two beautiful islets lost at sea, and a seascape teeming with colorful varieties of marine life. Taal Volcano. It is the smallest active volcano in the world. It is known for its unexplained shape and location on an island within a lake. Mount Apo. It is the highest mountain and volcano in the Philippines. Intramuros, known as the walled city because it was mainly built as a defensive curtain to defend the occupant from outside aggression. Puerto Princesa. It is famous for its breathtaking views and covers a large area with a lot of natural, cultural, and historical sites that local and international visitors can explore. Isla de Gigantes, known for its clear blue waters, white sand beaches, diverse marine life, and unique rock formations. 100 Island. It is popular for its crystal clear waters, coral reefs, and white sand beaches. Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park. It is the iconic park that carries rich history, as it is the location where the country's national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, was executed. Island Garden City of Samal. It is considered as the largest resort city or island with its powdery beaches and numerous beach resorts. Cebu Toys Temple, brightly painted hillside pagodas and prayer halls with striking dragon designs and views over the city. That's all, and thank you for watching.